Hey guys, it's Darrell with Everyday Tacoma. Hey, this week we're doing a little bit of a dress up to the truck, and it's kind of a safety issue too. I kind of look at it that way. Not too long ago we put some LED turn signals into the truck, and I really like that, and it made me start thinking, and I went out and got something from Lexland, okay? Inside this box is some sequential turn signals for the mirrors. Something to get your attention when people are driving alongside you or looking at you to indicate that you're going to turn. So let's unbox this thing and see what we got. So here we are. We've got the box already. It's on the tailgate. You guys should be getting familiar with this tailgate by now. But we're going to open this thing up. It's actually pretty well packaged. I don't expect anything strange out of this or anything like that. But there we go. All right. And let me slice it across the back. And here's how it comes packaged, okay? I've never opened this before, so we're all in for the same experience here. Okay, so right on top, there's a, hey, need help, contact us. Okay, and warranty and support, and oh, and here's the thing that gets you to the installation manual. So that's what it takes, to the manual and video. So we'll sit there and do that in just a moment. Inside here, plastic pry tool, a screwdriver, and the turn signals themselves. Okay, so that's the unboxing. Let's see what we can do. Okay, it takes a little bit of work to get the this cover off. So what you got to do is you got to get in here. Hang on, let me do it this way. You heard it pop a little bit there? So a little bit more. Popped it a little bit more. Be careful how hard you hit it. You don't want to break this thing. Okay? But I keep pulling it out. Keep pulling it out. Working a way around it. Working a way around it. Work my way around it. And this should be the final one. And I got it off. And as you can see right here, there's just some locating pins here, and the rest of them are tabs. And that's how this comes off, and that's how it goes on. So I'm removing this screw here. Putting it somewhere where I won't lose it. Okay guys, once I got the screws out of there, and I took this one out, this one that's right in here, and I also popped this one and this one. Probably didn't need to do this one, but once I got that loose, this thing pulled forward here, this bottom panel, and now I'm getting it out, and it's, there we go. Now we've got the turn signal out. And there's a couple of interesting things about the turn signal. You push this down and you can undo the connector, okay? At least on this one you can. Okay, so here's the two parts next to each other. This black here, and you've got the clear plastic on this one. This here is all the black plastic. This is probably a stronger plastic, I would think. So let's do something real quick. Let's plug this thing in and see if we can make it work. Not getting no flashing out of it, so that means I've got this reversed. There's polarity to these things. So there we go. I got it undone. We flip it around. I now have turn signals. So LEDs are like that, okay? So now I think we're just going to sit there and reverse the process. Okay, I got it over that little post. I got it in place. And now I can sit there and start putting everything back in place. I'm not going to bore you guys with me putting in screws, but that's what it's looking like. Now, one interesting thing about it, if you look at this, this protrudes a little bit more than this one. So, the original one. So this is actually sticking out where you can actually see more of it. I like that idea. Okay, I got the screws back in, but before I button it all up again by putting the cover back on, here's where one of the screws is, right in this recessed hole. And then here, this one comes out, and then this one comes out. So when you take these two out, this is loose. When you take this one out, your actual turn signal is loose. That's how you put it back together. Now we're about to put this back on. So there's little locating holes here, which these right here go into. So once you get these in place, okay, so now I got them in place. I should be able to snap it right together. Okay, and now you can see how this protrudes out compared to the original. So I went and did the other side, and interesting thing is, this whole piece popped out on me. It just snaps into place. Made it a lot easier to get this thing in and out. Okay, so now this is the new one that's in place. I've got everything all basically lined up. By the way, there's your camera right there. If you guys were ever wondering what that looks like inside. So the camera goes down like that. Goes down like that. Okay. So I'm putting it on like this. It goes in place. Okay, I got it in. As a matter of getting the tabs in the right place and lining up there's a groove on the back side of this, lining that up, and getting it. So this is all in at this point. So now it's a matter of putting the screws back in place. So we put this one back in and start it. We put this one back in. And start it. And we put this one back in. Okay, just making sure everything's in the right place. So I put this one back in. Start it. I don't have what looks like any wires that are going to get pinched or anything. I put this over here to the side. I think we're okay. All right, I can tighten everything down now. Okay, remember that's plastic that you're threading into. Real easy to strip those out. So if you have doubts, don't do it. Well, I shouldn't say don't do it, but be careful. Okay, so we got all that on. Now we go and we put it back in place. Everything snapped together, feels good and secure. I'm happy. There we go, I got the bottom ones too. I'm happy, and now let's double check, make sure this is all working. Okay, everything is working. And by the way, this is on hazards, not turn. Turn signal work, hazards work, both sides. Hey, I like what I got. I think this is going to give me more visibility. I think it's brighter. I will find out tomorrow morning, and I'll put a light meter to it, going out, about a foot from it, and I'll sit there and see how many foot candles it puts out. Other than that, I think that kind of wraps this one up. Yeah, let's see what it does tomorrow morning. Thanks, guys.
If you enjoyed hanging out with us and riding shotgun in the taco truck, go ahead and smash that like button and share this video with your friends, or even your own everyday Tacoma guy or girl. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, because one day Darrell and I might actually start selling tacos out of the back of this thing. Thanks for spending part of your day with us. We really do love this community. Love you guys. Until next time, this is Cody.